so today we're going over no case of assault. Allegedly, no, we're doing one thing. Allegedly, Noe assaulted Yasmin.
Okay, the charges are emotional distress, harassment, and assault.
Okay, Your Honor, I have evidence that I did not assault her and that she killed me.
Wait, you need to wait for your lawyer.
Okay,
I'm drowning right now.
What? Joshua, what is your name?
Wait, are you gonna be my lawyer? Because I thought I fired my lawyer.
You fired me?
Wait, Ethel, are you gonna be defending Noe or prosecuting him?
Prosecuting.
Okay, then
I literally bought you a Robux and I gave you a Robux.
I'm gonna go get you a book.
Joshua, stop. Hey, hold on. That also means don't cut other people off in the talking.
Yeah.
Wait for them to finish their argument, and then. Hey, you're just doing it.
No, wait, I was gonna say the only person who can do that is you.
You have to wait for them to finish the argument, and then whenever I tell you to speak. That's not in like a rude way. Like that's.
Ethel.
My client here, he's being prosecuted for what?
Assault, harassment, and emotional distress.
Got it.
Assault, harassment, and emotional distress. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Will the prosecutor please state their case?
Is that me?
Will the prosecutor please state their case?
He assaulted me? Can you give more details? He assaulted me? He called me words, and then that caused me a lot of emotional distress.
Your Honor.
Does the defendant have anything to say about this?
Yes, I can tell you everything that happened.
Hey, Noe, give me. I think that Yasmin didn't think herself. She claims Noe called her words. Well, I could call Yasmin words right now. Yasmin is a lady. She's sitting in a spruce seat. This doesn't mean anything. These claims mean nothing. Noe called her words and assaulted her, which is all alleged. We have no proof.
That's a good point.
But I don't really see your point about like you could call her words when I specifically said harassment.
Specify what words.
He was cursing at me.
Okay.
Okay, I will admit that we were both cursing at each other. So we both did exchange words, but I did not assault him.
Your Honor, I have evidence that she assaulted me and killed me. Like I did not.
Okay, that's not what I asked. Who was the first one?
It was him. I was just shooting to see if my bow had infinity, and I was shooting at.
Oh, so you provoked?
No, I was shooting at the brown. What is it called? Wool. It was the brown wool where like all the red choker boxes are at, and I was shooting there. And then Noe just
Came out of nowhere, and he ran towards. So instead of me shooting at the wall, he got in the way, and he basically did it himself. Because he got in the way, he just got in front of me. And then I was like, oh, I'm sorry, because you got in my way. And then he was like, no. And then he started hitting me. And then he put me on fire. If y'all couldn't hear on my iPad, I was on fire. You could hear me being on fire. After he kept hitting me. And then I was like, this has to be self-defense.
Your Honor, may I speak? So you're claiming that this was all in self-defense?
basically because he hit me first.
Yeah, so I have a question.
Yes, Your Honor.
How many times did you shoot before?
I only shot once.
So after saying that, you thought there was a need to shoot more?
I didn't shoot
After
him.
saying that the count... No, that's not what I said. You shot one arrow, and the count didn't go down in your arrows. And you felt that you needed to shoot more to prove that you still had infinity.
No, that's not what I said.
So why did you shoot more than once?
I didn't shoot more than once.
You said that you shot multiple times.
No, I
and then
said
you
that.
went into the second shot.
No, I said I shot.
So you only shot one arrow.
Yeah, I only shot one arrow.
Is this true? No.
No, it's not true. She aimed at me. I was going to enchant my boots to mending in the anvil, and then she aimed at me and shot me, and I was like, what'd you do that for? And then that's when she said she was sorry. I was like, no, why would you shoot me? because now, and boom. So I hit her back as like a warning. I was like, bro, don't hit me. And then she started hitting me. I was like, bro, stop.
What did you hit her with?
I can provide you the thing right now. This. And in the encampment, there's no flame. There's nothing there. It's just mending.
Okay. This is still a very dangerous weapon. If it was something less damaging, it could have been seen as maybe a warning. But this is still a weapon. Yasmin, you may speak.
Okay, so basically what happened was...
So like the way I was aiming towards the chest, and so I kind of spammed like my phone. So basically, like as soon as I started to like let go, on the like.
Wait a damn minute. What a damn.
This story isn't adding up.
Your Honor.
What is that?
Hold on, order.
There's no brown wool next to the anvil.
I wasn't...
Let me take a second to confirm this.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
You need a moment.
Okay. There'll be
Noe said, okay, so this is what Noe said, what I wrote on Noe's side. Noe said Yasmin was aiming at him. So, like, Noe says that you were aiming at him. So, Noe gave you a warning hit with a weapon after you apologized. Is that true?
Yeah. I shot, but then Noe came running, and so he got into the way. So how can he say that I was, like, aiming at him when I was already, like, aiming and he was already behind me?
Okay.
As you see in the evidence table, I was trying to enchant my diamond boots because if you really look at them, they're like really low. They're like really low. So I was going through like the other entrance way to get to anvils faster. And she claimed she was shooting at the brown wool, which was on the other side, but that's not possible because I was going to the other side. So you have to aim at me just to hit me.
And guys, will you allow me to create a diagram? Okay. So this is the brown wool.
I didn't give you permission. Break it off.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Ask again.
May I have permission to give a
visual example?
Yes.
Yes.
So firstly, this dirt block represents the brown wool. The choker boxes represents the red chokers. And this crafting table represents the chest near the wall. And this represents the anvil. So if Noe comes over here to enchant these diamond boots, which are presented to me.
Can you hand me the diamond boots?
Oh yes, of course. And the mending enchantment, that's very important. Yes.
Wait, I'm sorry, Your Honor, but I'm supposed to put my bow and arrow right here?
Yes, put it on the wall, please.
So if Noe were to want to enchant his mending boots at the anvil, and Yasmin was supposedly pointing her bow at the dirt, how is it that Noe manages to walk in front of her and him get shot by her bow?
Yasmin, based on this diagram, can you show where you were standing?
Okay, so basically I was right here, right? And so basically...
You were right in front of the choker boxes.
Oh, yeah, kind of. So basically, I don't know, it's kind of weird on, like, mobile. It's kind of weird for me to aim. So I was crouching, and then I was about to shoot. And then, like, once I shoot, I see Noe, like, running this way. And he was, like, going like this. And then he got in the way. And then I was like, oh, my goodness, he got in my way. I'm sorry. And then he was like, no. And then he started hitting me. And then he hit me with his sword. And then I was crouching in the corner where the anvil was at.
So you admit I was at the anvil?
No.
That's not what she said. Hold on.
We were like going in circles because he kept hitting me, and I was like, I mean, I didn't want to hit him back because I already said sorry. My sword is more powerful than his sword because my sword has like knockback, flame, and efficiency, and I didn't want to like hit him. I didn't want to hit him.
Wait. You said your sword had knockback, flame, and efficiency.
And
let me write that down. Judge Santos, may I add to the diagram?
You may.
This door right here represents the front door. This right here represents the back door. And these blocks right here represents Noe's house.
Do you want me to show you how I entered?
Yes, can Noe please show where you entered from his house?
Okay, I walk in, I open the door, and then I close it, and then I run to here, and then I look back, and then Yasmin starts hitting, not hitting me, shooting me with the arrow. So I was like, what'd you do that for? So I went over to her, and then boom.
She said she started blocking with her shield.
There was no shield involved, sir.
Yes, there was. You want to see how low my shield is?
Why the fuck you lying?
Hey, that is not. We don't know how long your shield has been used before.
That's true.
I guess that is true. But okay, so basically the only way we ended up in the anvils was because we kept going in circles because he kept hitting me with his sword.
The way straight from the door to the anvil doesn't cross your line of sight at all, so how could you have shot him?
Yes, and for all the
from there. That's the thing. Like, he's lying about that.
I'm not lying. I was pointing in my boots.
Why the fuck you lying?
Tower.
You're using the anvil. You're supposed to use an enchanting table.
Huh?
girl.
The boots are already enchanted.
He had to enchant the boots.
Exactly.
The
You can
boots are
enchant the
already
boots with Envo, with a mending book too. I had a mending book. Ooh.
The boots are already enchanted, meaning you can't put them back into an enchantment table. This is the exact mending book that he said that he was going to use.
Yasmin. He was going to the boots are already enchanted. To add another enchantment boots, you need to use an anvil in the book.
But what he told me was that he was going to the enchanting table to go enchant and the anvil.
No, he didn't say that. He said he was going to enchant his.
That's what he told me.
boots.
What?
He told me that at the moment.
Yasmin, get back to your seat. Get back to your seat. Okay. No, your story is adding up. Yasmin, I don't know so much about you.
Your Honor, she claims that I'm lying about not entering my house, but that's where my boots were because I had to switch out my boots for I originally had mending boots, but I want to enchant my other boots that weren't really low. So I went to go from my tower to get it, so that's why I had to enter the back door and not the front.
Bring me the other side.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so
Okay. Even if you were just gonna, you could have. What? But
Why he couldn't have?
either way, I don't know. Your story is making complete sense. Thank you.
For mobile, it's harder to aim and it takes more time. And so, okay.
Olivia, can you vouch for that?
So, yeah, it kind of is harder to aim. It takes more time. But I'm not saying I'm defending her, but yes, it does take more time
Okay,
to
and
aim.
Joshua?
Okay.
yes, it does. It is harder to aim on mobile.
Okay, that's
Your
irrelevant.
Honor,
Go ahead,
so
Yasmin.
basically, if it's harder to aim, he's already gonna see me aiming at him, so he has enough time to run. So why didn't he? If he's saying that
Hey, you're completely changing your argument.
I'm not.
Yasmin, that argument states that you were aiming at him.
I wasn't though. I was saying hypothetically.
You were just saying. No, there's no hypothetically.
Oh my goodness, wait, I forgot you don't believe in hypothetical questions. So, if it's harder to aim, that's why I was aiming at the chest first. And so I was gonna shoot at the chest, but I thought it was gonna kill me because I thought my bow had flame, and I thought flame could kill me too. I'm not very good at the game. You can ask my boyfriend Joshua that I'm not very good at the game. So
I trust you.
because I didn't want to shoot at anybody, especially not Noe, because even the slightest hit, even if he says sorry or anything, he still wants to kill you. He's so determined to killing you. He has said too during that interaction that he said on July 20th, whenever we have band camp, he's gonna catch his strays on me.
So Yasmin, you're saying Noe has already made threats to you previously.
Yeah. And he said that he had wanted to find me. Oh, look, Olivia's saying yes.
Your Honor, in my defense to her saying, I said I'm gonna beat everybody up, everybody in this room. I said,
Okay, yeah, that.
I heard me and him going back and forth. He was talking to me, only me. He wasn't saying any of y'all. He has said specifically me. He has said, Yasmin, whenever July 20th comes, you're gonna, me and you are gonna fight.
That doesn't have anything to do with it. It's not July 20th. or the 22nd. So that claim has nothing.
Yes, it does.
It doesn't.
It hasn't happened yet. And he's already said this to many people as a joke.
Okay, but he didn't clarify that with me.
Yasmin, I think all of us in this room, in that case, if we're everything to a literal state, I think Ethel, Olivia, me, James, and Noe can all agree that we've heard you say, oh, I'm gonna kill all of you, I'm gonna fucking kill all of you. On multiple occasions. So
Wait, when have I said that?
you said that.
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
Noe, okay, I'm dropping the hammer. Oh, you're innocent.
No, Yasmin.
Oh, you're innocent. Kiss this bitch.